What's the meaning of chat show? Chat show. Chat show.
Chat show. Chat show. A chat show is a type of television or radio program where one or more hosts engage in conversations with guests. These guests are usually celebrities, experts, or people with interesting stories to tell. The hosts ask questions and guide the conversation, while the guests share their opinions, experiences, and insights. Chat shows are often designed to be entertaining, engaging, and informative, and can cover a wide range of topics, from current events and politics to pop culture and personal stories. Overall, chat shows provide an opportunity for dialogue and discussion in a public forum.